fell in love with this guy. And then, last year, I found out that dalawa pala kami.
Okay.
Simula nung nagsimula kami, dalawa pala kami.
Like, I know this is a tough time for you. Pero kamusta ka ngayon? Masasabi mo bang nakaahon ka na?
Hindi pa. We just separated January 30. So,
Of this year.
of this year. Kasi, I actually found out about the other woman, August 21. But then, di ba sabi ni God, you should forgive as He forgives you. And you should give people chances because everybody makes mistakes. So I did. I gave him another chance. And he promised that, iwalayan niya yung girl. And then, nakita ko na lang sa internet na sabay pa rin kami.
Okay.
Dahil sa nangyari, totoo ba kung tama kami dun sa narinig namin na sinubukan mo ngang pinagtangkaan mong wakasan na yung life mo?
Yeah, it's true. I was, that was the evening of January 30. And parang ang feeling ko kasi, wala na akong ginawang tama. Lahat na lang mali. And I felt bad for my children. Na, ano ba namang klaseng ina to? Lahat na lang mali. Diba? So, tapos, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit ako niloko ng ganon. Hirap na hirap akong tanggapin. Na, mabait naman akong tao eh. Wala naman akong ginagawang masama sa kapwa ko. So, hindi ko talaga siya naiintindihan. And I just wanted peace. I mean, just imagine, August 21. Di ba? I mean, I was still grieving. So, I haven't recovered. And then another. Parang, hindi ko na kaya. I just wanted peace. And I couldn't find it, So, yeah, that's very true. And I regret it because my children went through hell. I mean, my daughter had to listen to the doctors telling her that we have to let you know that your mother might not make it. And my son had to fight with the doctors, my eldest son, because wala siyang dalang pera. And they didn't want to do the dialysis without 100,000. So my son was like really upset na, are you just gonna let my mom die? Because without the dialysis, I would have been dead. If actually 1 hour lang malate na dinala ko,
Wala na.
I wouldn't be here with you guys.
Nasaan ang pag-asa ngayon, Miss Laika?
Di ko alam. I just pray every day. I try to find strength. Marami akong tinatanong pa rin hanggang ngayon, when I wake up, tinatanong ko pa rin, Diyos ko, ba't po ako? Mabait naman ho akong anak. My mom lives with me. Mabait naman ho ako sa mga anak. Siguro one day, I know I will get the answer, but I cannot answer you right now. Kasi wala. I'm just glad that I have, it's amazing because the people who actually supports me are my friends, and siguro one of the thing lang that I've realized, which I'm grateful for, is now I know who are the people who really loves me and who pretended to love me, but it was very painful.
Laika, habang may buhay, may pag-asa. And I know you will jump back to where you were before. You'll have a good job. You'll be in the peak of health. And you will have restoration in your life. God loves you.
Kaya mo yan.
God loves you.
Thank you, Laika.
Nako mga moms, si Deborah naman ang kakausapin natin sa aming pagbabalik. Kaya dyan lang kayo, magsama-sama tayong mga moms!